Hey Queens, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Everything you are going to your time and location. You're highly welcome to my channel. We'll see here Launch, a channel that always brings to you latest and trending nail designs and hairstyles. So if you love beautiful nails and hairs, you love trending nails, you love stylish nails, do join this family, okay? Hit the subscribe button and join us today so that you'll be getting all the latest and stylish nail designs. You don't want to miss out on latest nail trends, so it's an opportunity to join us. Just hit the subscribe button. Remember to turn on your bell notification so that you can also enjoy the beautiful and latest nails that we bring to this channel. Thank you so much, my ladies. Just like today's video, we have carefully selected beautiful and simple nail art designs for my ladies. Gorgeous nails ideas to elevate your look. So guys, watch from beginning to the end. I just want to say if you are amazed with the beautiful collections that we have compiled for you. If you're a lover of beautiful and simple nail design, then this video is highly recommended for you, for we have a lot of stunning and easy nail art here. So guys, watch to the end, select your favorite slide, and as well share to your loved ones so they can also be part of this video. Thank you so much as you watch our videos. Please like, comment and share, okay? Just share it, okay? Ensure to like this video. That is a way of saying thank you. That's a way of supporting this channel, and that's a way of telling us to bring more to you. Thank you so much, my ladies, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.